Hey, what's up everybody, what's up YouTube, what's up Ranger fans, this is Psycho White here, and today I would like to share with you my Power Rangers Lightning collection of Snizzard. Hey, what's up everybody, so here is my Power Rangers Lightning collection of Snizzard, and here's the front package looks like. There's the side, and there's the back, and here's the other side, and here's the front again. Now excuse me while I go open this package up. And here is Snizzard out of the package, and here's the front view looks like. There's the side, there's the back, there's the other side, and here's the front again. And for the accessories, he carries a snake bow arrow. The arrow is a snake, and he has a snake rope. Let's see, it's rubber. You can do some stretching. And he has another rodeo snake rope where you can tie up with other rangers. Also rubber. And finally but not least, here's the crown, the lightning thing that goes around his crown. Looks like that. And also his mouth comes up, opens up. Like so. There you go. And for comparison, here is with pumpkin wrapper. And see how that looks. And here it is with Punchy Pig. And see how that looks. And here it is with Eye Guy. See how they look. And here is Piranhas. And see how they look. And there you have it, folks. This is the Power Rangers Lightning collection of Snizzard. And this is it for me today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, give me some few comments what you guys think, and I'll see you in the next video.